What if the exact same plants you buy to make your kitchen look pretty are actually fighting off negative energy while you sleep? We spend so much money on crystals and sage, completely ignoring the living, breathing spiritual defense system sitting right on our windowsills. Today, we are diving into 10 incredible spiritual plants that actively draw positive energy, absolute abundance, and fierce protection into your home. Stick around because number 7 holds the literal energetic frequency of the sun, and number 10 casts a spiritual cloak of invisibility over your house to hide you from toxic neighbors. If you are ready to transform your ordinary house into a powerful sanctuary, hit that subscribe button right now and let us jump straight into the countdown. Number 1. Rosemary, the Great Cleanser. We are starting with an absolute powerhouse. Rosemary is not just for roasting potatoes. It is one of the oldest and most respected spiritual cleansers in human history. Ancient scholars actually wore crowns of rosemary to improve their memory. But on a spiritual level, this plant is all about energetic clarity. It cuts through mental fog, arguments, and lingering bad vibes like a sharp sword. When you bring a living rosemary plant into your home, it acts like a spiritual air purifier. In traditional European folk magic, people placed pots of rosemary by the front door to prevent thieves and negative entities from entering. The aroma alone is sharp, piney, and immediately uplifting. It wakes up your spirit. If you have had a run of bad luck or a lot of heavy depressive energy in your house, rosemary is the plant you want. You can snip a few sprigs and boil them on your stove to instantly clear the air after a heated argument. Having the living plant in a sunny kitchen window ensures that the heart of your home stays energetically clean, crisp, and vibrantly alive. Number 2. Lavender, the Peace Weaver. If rosemary is the sharp sword, lavender is the soothing blanket. This plant is world famous for its ability to calm the nervous system, but its spiritual power goes much deeper than just making you sleepy. Lavender weaves an energy of profound, unshakable peace into any room it lives in. For centuries, spiritual practitioners have used lavender to bring tranquility to chaotic households and to invite gentle, loving energy into relationships. When you place a living lavender plant in your bedroom or living room, you are setting an energetic boundary that says stress and anxiety are not allowed here. It softens harsh words and calms frantic energy. Traditional dreamworkers also believe that lavender growing near the bed protects your spirit while you travel in your dreams, keeping nightmares far away. It requires a lot of bright sunlight to thrive indoors, but if you can provide the right environment, lavender will continuously bathe your space in an aura of deep, spiritual serenity. Number 3. Aloe Vera, the Silent Healer. You probably know aloe vera is great for a sunburn, but in spiritual traditions across Africa and Latin America, this plant is treated with massive respect as an energetic bodyguard. Aloe vera is believed to be one of the most powerful absorbers of negative energy on the planet. Many traditional practitioners will hang a whole, bare-root aloe plant above their front doorway. The belief is that the plant will absorb any evil eye or malicious intentions directed at the family. Here is what makes aloe fascinating. It is a highly resilient, independent plant, but spiritual workers say that if your healthy aloe vera suddenly turns brown and dies for no obvious reason, it just took a massive energetic hit for you. It absorbed something dark so you did not have to. Keeping a potted aloe in your home, especially near entryways or in the kitchen, provides a silent, healing guardian that watches over your family while asking for almost nothing in return. Number 4. Thyme, the Courage Builder. Thyme is a plant that gives you a spiritual spine. In ancient Greece, the highest compliment you could give someone was to say they smelled of thyme, because it was the ultimate symbol of bravery and style. Roman soldiers actually bathed in thyme water before going into battle to fill themselves with courage. Today, we need that exact same warrior energy in our homes, not for physical battles, but for spiritual and emotional ones. If you are going through a major life transition, dealing with difficult people, or feeling spiritually beaten down, growing thyme in your home shifts the atmosphere. It radiates a grounding, fortifying energy that helps you stand firm in your truth. It stops you from being a pushover. You can keep a pot of thyme on your windowsill and gently brush your hands through the tiny leaves before you have to make a difficult phone call or face a stressful situation. It is the perfect plant to remind you of your own inner strength. Number 5. Myrtle, the love magnet. Myrtle is a breathtakingly beautiful evergreen shrub with starry white flowers, and it is the ultimate plant for drawing and protecting love. In ancient times, myrtle was fiercely sacred to Aphrodite and Venus, the goddesses of love. It is still used in royal wedding bouquets today because it represents enduring, peaceful, and harmonious love. Bringing a myrtle plant into your home does not just attract romantic love, it fosters deep harmony among everyone living under that roof. It creates an atmosphere of mutual respect and gentle affection. If your household has been feeling disconnected, or if everyone is retreating to their own rooms and ignoring each other, myrtle helps bridge those gaps. It thrives in bright, cool spots in the home. Tending to a myrtle plant is literally a spiritual practice of nurturing love, and the plant rewards you by making your home feel like a sanctuary of connection. Let us take a quick pause. Are you starting to realize that your houseplants are actually working overtime for your spirit? If you are loving this list, hit that like button right now so this video can reach other people who need to clear the energy in their homes. And make sure you are subscribed. Let us jump back in with one of the best plants for absolute abundance. Number 6. Mint, the prosperity generator. Mint is aggressive, fast-growing, and absolutely unstoppable, which is exactly the kind of energy you want when it comes to your finances. Across countless spiritual traditions, mint is the ultimate plant for attracting wealth and prosperity. Its vibrant green leaves and rapid growth symbolize expanding resources and unblocking stagnant cash flow. Having a living mint plant near your front door or on your kitchen counter acts as a massive magnet for opportunity. The smell of mint is deeply stimulating. It wakes up your senses and clears away the poverty mindset. Traditional root workers will actually take fresh mint leaves and rub them inside their wallets or place them under their cash registers to ensure the money keeps flowing. Because mint grows so aggressively, it teaches us that abundance is natural and limitless. Whenever you feel financially stuck, just pinch off a mint leaf, crush it in your fingers, and breathe in that vibrant, wealthy energy. Number 7. Calendula, the sun bringer. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, holds the literal energetic frequency of the sun. This plant produces brilliant, glowing orange and yellow flowers that look like tiny sunbursts, and its spiritual energy does exactly what the sun does. It dispels the darkness. In traditional folk magic, calendula is used to lift deep depression, invite extreme joy, and bring warmth to a cold, isolated home. When you grow calendula, you are capturing solar energy and anchoring it into your living space. It creates an atmosphere of boundless optimism. Historically, people would string the bright flowers into garlands and hang them over doors to prevent negative spirits from entering, because dark entities cannot stand the light. If your home feels physically dark, heavy, or burdened by grief, growing calendula in your brightest window invites the healing, joyful, and protective energy of a summer day into your life all year long. Number 8. Patchouli, the earth anchor. You might associate patchouli with the hippie movement of the 60s, but its spiritual roots are ancient and incredibly powerful. Patchouli is the ultimate grounding plant. Its rich, musky, earthy scent ties your spirit directly to the physical realm. Why is that important? Because when we get stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, our energy tends to float up and scatter. We become ungrounded and panicked. Having a living patchouli plant in your home acts as a spiritual anchor. It pulls frantic, chaotic energy down into the earth to be neutralized. It creates a vibe of deep, sensual, physical presence. Furthermore, patchouli is heavily associated with earthly desires and material wealth. It is the plant you grow when you want to feel safe, secure, and completely rooted in your present reality. It is a fantastic companion for your home office or any space where you need to focus and feel physically stable. Number 9. Sweetgrass, the spirit welcomer. Sweetgrass is fiercely sacred to many Native American and indigenous traditions. While white sage is often used to vigorously scrub away negative energy, sweetgrass is used immediately afterward to invite the good spirits back in. It has a beautiful, sweet, almost vanilla-like fragrance that is said to be the absolute favorite scent of benevolent spirits and ancestors. Growing sweetgrass in your home or on your property is a direct invitation for divine blessings. It weaves an atmosphere of pure positivity, warmth, and spiritual sweetness. The energy of sweetgrass does not fight negativity. It simply vibrates at such a high, loving frequency that negativity cannot exist in its presence. Tending to this plant is a deeply respectful practice. When you have living sweetgrass in your space, you are constantly rolling out the energetic red carpet for angels, guides, and positive forces to dwell with your family. Number 10. Fern, the energy cloak. We are finishing with one of the most ancient plants on Earth. Ferns have been around for millions of years, and they carry a deeply primal protective energy. In magical traditions, ferns are associated with cloaking and invisibility. They do not fight off bad energy, they simply hide your home from it. If you have a toxic neighbor, a nosy landlord, or just feel like the outside world is too intrusive, placing large ferns in your windows or hanging them on your porch acts as a spiritual camouflage. They absorb sound, filter the air, and weave an energetic web that deflects the evil eye. The intricate, unfolding leaves of a fern represent the mysteries of nature, keeping your personal life safe and hidden. A massive Boston fern in your living room creates a quiet, incredibly safe, energetic bubble where your family can completely relax, knowing you are hidden from the chaos of the outside world. There you have it, 10 incredible living allies ready to protect, purify, and elevate the energy of your space. You do not need a complicated spiritual routine to transform your home. You just need the right plants. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 10 plants you are bringing home first. If this video helped you look at your houseplants in a completely new way, smash that like button, share it with a plant-loving friend, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.